It's here. It's my customized Fabfitfun box. So if you want to see what's in this box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Vinda aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my customized box. I've gotten a lot of bundle boxes, but this is my actual customized one. I do have 2 accounts, so I've already posted one customized box. Let's see what's in this one. It's a big one. Now, Fabfitfun is a seasonal lifestyle subscription box. They're probably one of the best deals out there. You are going to get so much bang for your buck. Your box that you're going to put out $60 for, if you do it seasonally, you're going to get somewhere in the neighborhood of about $200 or more worth of products. Could be more. You could certainly pick like a lot of really expensive ones. If you do it seasonally, you get to pick 4 out of 6, and if you do it annually, you get to pick all 6 out of the 6 different categories. So depending upon how much control you like, I like a lot. You're either going to go seasonal or annual. They never used to, when I first started, you could only pick the first 4 categories. And there were some real losers in those other categories that you would get. If you go into those cactus cups, you know what I'm talking about. So I feel like I customize this super fun, or at least in my opinion, super fun, if this is your idea of fun. There's your sneak peek. Now this was probably one of the things I was super excited about, and these are the water drop that you put in your water, and there are, I think, there's 4 flavors, 5 drops of each, maybe 4 drops of each. Yes, 4 flavors, and, oh no, 3 drops of each. Well, anyway, I was in the neighborhood. And we have watermelon cucumber. I feel like these are different flavors than in my other box, so even more excited. I don't think I'll like watermelon cucumber though, but the kid will. Raspberry elderflower. Sky. I definitely got sky in the other one, but I feel like I did not get watermelon cucumber. And black currant blueberry. I'll have to look and see what I got as my other flavor. But I don't recall it being watermelon cucumber. But I don't know. Did you choose this? Did you get different flavors? Anyway, we're trying to drink more water. I have a circle bottle, but I thought these were also some interesting flavors. So I got them in both boxes. I thought it was just, it's a fun thing to me. I got the Lemmy Matcha Energy Gummies. So I got these in my other box as well, my other customized box. They're very tasty, very, very delicious, I think. And I like them. I mean, I only used them a couple days now, so I can't tell you that I'm like zooming around, but I do like them. All right, this, super fun. This is the Sassy Wolf Walkie Pack. Okay, we've got a leash and a little tag thing. What is the tag thing for? I don't know. I think it's just to hook it. Easy clip attachment. I don't know. But if they'd had a bandit toy, I would have gotten a bandit toy. This is a woman-owned and operated small business, proudly based out of Sterling, Virginia. And I don't know, Sassy Wolf, 60 by 80 leash, or 60 by 0.8 inch leash, sorry. Yeah, by 80. So 60 long, 0.8 inches wide, and oh, okay, this has a little thing, so like if you had poop bags, you could just, like, let's say you picked up some poop and you didn't have a garbage can handy, you could just put it through there and put this on the leash somewhere, I guess. This has it by the handle, but look at how cute that is. By Slip, we have a set of 3 silk hair bands, and these are in 3 different colors of pink. I did get this in another box, I think one of my bundled boxes. And so I'm not going to open it up. They're really cute pinks because this one here, you know, that looks like orange, but trust me, it's a pink. That middle one looks like orange, but it's not. It's a dark pink. I'm going to give this to my niece. By NARS. So I went back and forth with this because, oh, they're not cruelty free, but this was kind of like what I liked the most in the category. This is in Joyride. That looks really orange on in the camera. That must be the lighting because it's definitely not orange. It's more of a pink with a little bit of a peach undertone, but look at how orange that looks there. It looks like pumpkin orange. Maybe I'm playing back it wrong, but what I'm seeing is orange. And I got the blanket. I think the other thing was in that category, I did have other things from some of the bundle boxes. So this, super soft, super fuzzy. It's a great size. Wait, there's still more. Super pretty. This is by, I think, Free People, and I think it was like somewhere around an $80 value, which I was surprised for Free People. I thought that was cheap. Free People, yep, does $78 value. So, I mean, for Free People, that's cheap. Would I pay $78? No, I'd pay $24.99 at TJ Maxx for this, yes. Would not be $78. But the whole box was like $50-something because I do get it annually, so it's a little bit cheaper. And so, I mean, right here, here's my value. Once my daughter sees it, I'll never see it again, except for on the floor when I go to pick it up. But that is how I customized my box. Let me know, did you have any of the same choices? Are we box twins? I don't know, could be. Well, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.